So I'm reading it all. Rahul belongs to an ordinary family. He is in class 8 and his sister Rashi is in class 5. Rakhu and Revati, their parents, brought up them with love and proper care. Though they were struggling, they fulfilled their requests and gave them opportunities to do some little household work. One evening, Mother asked Rahul to clean his room. He did not like it. He thought that all my friends play from the time they reach home until twilight. They do not do any work at home. Only his parents make him do household work. If I calculate the payment for my daily work, my parents ought to give me a big amount. He noted it down on a piece of paper. So here's the list. Cleaning the room for 1 month, 50 rupees. Watering the plants for 1 month, 100 rupees. Taking care of Rashi for 1 month, 100 rupees. Taking Rashi to school for 1 month, 100 rupees. Looking after the house for 1 month when parents were away, 50 rupees. Buying things from shops for 1 month, 50 rupees. So the total is 450 rupees. He went to his mother with this paper. His face had an expression of victory. Revati could not understand his expression. She got the paper from him and read it with a sigh. She asked her son to come closer and bring a pen. She got the pen from him and wrote on the other side of the paper. For carrying you in my womb for 9 months, 0 rupees. For feeding you with breast milk for 3 years, 0. For taking care of you and bathing you when you were an infant, 0 rupees. For nursing you, sacrificing my sleep, 0 rupees. For taking you to the doctor, 0 rupees. For preparing the food you like daily, 0 rupees. For purchasing you good dresses, 0 rupees. For giving you books you needed, 0 rupees. Payment you ought to give us for our love towards you, 0 rupees. So you can understand the depth of this story. With all this list, she was shedding tears while writing this. Then Rahul realized his mistake. He embraced his mother and cried. He got the paper from his mother, tore it into pieces and threw it into the dustbin. The love relationship between parents and children cannot be expressed in words but has to be revealed in actions. Inspired by love, parents work hard for their children and take up hardships patiently. Parents do a lot of sacrifice for the health and happiness of their children. They do not demand anything from their children in return. Hence, children must look after their parents and be obedient to them.